Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then tap here to the connected devices. Click to the connection preferences then, and now as can you see we got here the NFC section, tap there. As can you see the NFC is activated now. You just can turn it off by tap here once on the NFC switcher, and just to turn it on by tap here on the switcher again. Also here we can enable or disable the NFC by the second way, but be sure that this switcher near the NFC icon is turned off, because if you will just turn on this switcher, the NFC icon will not visible on your notification panel. So now just we should open the notification panel, and right there you will see the NFC icon. Just to tap once, you can turn on or turn off the NFC feature on your Motorola device. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.